Hello and welcome! Today we'll be making these bat wing earrings. Grab your supplies and let's do it! Roll out your black and gray clay until it is roughly this thin. Using a large circle cutter, cut out one circle from the black and one circle from the gray. Place the gray circle on top of the black circle. It does not have to match up perfectly. And then flip it over. Cut the circle in half. Using a small circle cutter, cut out 3 half moon shapes from the bottom of each half circle. With each cut, I do take off a little bit more. Then I cut off a little bit of the top part, and then a little bit on the side. Flip them over like a pancake so that the gray is facing up. Roll out some black clay until it is long and thin. Cut off 2 sections and place it on the gray clay. This is to separate out the portions of the wing. Cut off any excess clay. Cut off a larger piece and wrap it around the outside of the wing. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I do post videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. And for the month of October, I will be posting 31 videos. Oh yes, that is 1 video a day. Use a tool to push down the back part of the rolled clay. You want the edges of the bat wing to be smooth and seamless. Use a tool to press down and out on the gray clay. And also attaching the black clay on the outside. Repeat with each section of the wing. Pinch the top of the wing so that it comes to a point. Use a needle tool and poke a hole at the top of each wing. This will be for the jump ring after we bake it. Use a tissue blade and cut out pieces at the bottom of the wing. This is to make it look like it's torn. Place them randomly wherever you would like. Use a needle tool or a toothpick and randomly poke holes in the wings. This is to make it look like it's ripped. Use a needle tool or a toothpick and make scoring lines down the center of each wing section. Bake your wings. Once you have baked your wings, use your black paint and paint in all the cracks and crevices. Once your paint has dried, use a damp, soapy rag to wipe away all the excess paint. Once you have finished, resin your pieces. To assemble your earrings, all you'll need is a jump ring and an earring hook. And your fabulous bat wings are complete. I hope you enjoyed this video and found something useful in it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!